Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Haka jing persyang ban pensung thu Paidbah, Syekh Samla. Kumno ban kiar nak jingdi lene penukam Duma, ka Martin Luther Christian University MLCU, haka arfoi trek jumang aja penriu, Jingrakhe ya ka wall no tobacco de. Kum shibanta ka Jingrakhe ka university kala penlong da ka Ïaid Paidbah ka bejai ka bala kowe lama do Dr. Ashish MA Mau, Vice Chancellor MLCU, ber ka blas dang na campus ka Katega University, terter Lapalang, Renja Police Point, Nongrim, Pokse, ber ka bala penkut biang hakatega campus. Lala ban saki jingshim mentara kumbasan spa angot ki Samla Pule Katega University ki Nonghikai nalor ki Nongtrai.
And this tobacco is in a way is a lifestyle disease, because many people think that when you smoke you are smarter, you look better, but that is a very wrong perception of a person. And that is why once you start that habit, because we call it this as a lifestyle or habit disease, and this is one of the biggest killer today is by that lifestyle disease, what we call it, because you pick up this habit and you start doing that. Afterward you get addicted and you cannot stop. And so they have, I mean, the whole world is concerned why this should be, we should raise awareness about the consequences of smoking. You see, if we look at the World Health Organization's report, every year more than 8 million people die. That means it is more than the population of Meghalaya in a year. Because Meghalaya has about 3.4 or 3.5 million only people. But all over the world, because of tobacco disease, people say tobacco causes cancer, respiratory disease, heart disease, so many things. And also cancer, also over 20 type of cancer it says it causes. Not only that, people who smoke, but like us who don't smoke, also like passive smoker or non-smoker, they also get sick because of the people who are smoking. You sit along with them and you also inhale. We call it a passive smoking. No? And that, by that alone also they say, according to the World Health Organization, more than 1 million people die because of that also, even if you are not smoking. And then also, the World Health Organization says that the whole world spend on the treatment due to tobacco more than $1.4 trillion. it is very high, much more than the budget of this Meghalaya or so many states. Like that, that is the impact of this tobacco. And that's why I'm very happy that you all are taking part in this. You are doing for a noble cause, and it is really good that MLCU students are doing. And I'm sure you all are not smoking. Because if you are doing that, by chance, you must remember that it is not good for you, and not for only for you, for your family or for your friends. Because once you get sick, what happens? It affects everybody. Financially also, family also become a problem. Everybody get a problem. So why should we cause problem to the family or to our loved ones? That's why we should be careful of what we are doing. And as I said, it is not a nutrition thing or something which is required to take every day, but this is just like a habit and an addiction. And that's why kindly see to it and be more responsible person, and also tell your friends, a colleague or your relative or anybody about that the side effect or the bad effect of this tobacco. That it will be, if we all can do a little bit, I'm sure it will impact a lot. And that is why the whole world is having this program, so that if 10-20 people can tell to another 10-20 people, then the impact is become so big.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.